It's Christmas in July! Let's talk Christmas crochet patterns. Today, elves. I'm for big crochet. Welcome to my channel. Today, for Christmas in July, we're going to talk about Christmas elves. Let's get started. I'm going to start off with this cutie. I love his big ears. And this hair is absolutely adorable. And look at this little bow tie. And he has happy jingle bells on his feet. This is the back. And this is him without his hat, so he can take off his hat. I really like the way the hair is done. Absolutely gorgeous. And a close-up of his cute little face. And notice the little cheeks that have been put on there. This happy group of elves is ready for some Christmas partying. I love the little skirt and the pants. It's very cute. I have a couple of the photos of this one. This is the back, obviously, and some individual photos. And you can see how you can adjust the same pattern with different colors to get a different result. Each one as cute as the other. And look at them. They're having a good time. Now this is Elf from the movie Elf. It's a fantastic likeness. I really like the details on this jacket and the little buckle. And of course the hair is absolutely brilliant. Look at him. He's cute. And the hat is also on point. Yes, it's a pattern. Good. Completely different kind of elf. But of course with the obligatory pointy shoes and bell, this time a crocheted bell on his hat. Different angle from the back. This one is also filled with detail, as small as it is. The eyes are so cute. A one with a longer one. I love the mittens on this one. It's very nice. I think I only have one photo of this one. Yeah, this elf can be bribed with yarn. Well, that sounds familiar. I like the color scheme, pink and green, and of course the beautiful braids this elf has. And look at this, the rim of the hat. Very nice. A girl elf, so cute. And this boy elf is also very cute. Look at the way the eyes are done. It's absolutely adorable. And it comes with a present. What kid wouldn't like that? And he has, the eyebrows are cute as well. Side and another shot and a more relaxed pose. And this cutie is an easy pattern, works up quickly, and will also be very lovely to hang in your Christmas tree as a little ornament. Look at this little face. He's so cute. I like the little ears that are sort of appliqued on there. He's a cutie. Another stripy outfit elf. I love the little fringe that peeks out from under his hat. He comes with a cute crocheted Christmas stocking. Absolutely fun. And he has a little friend. Look at her. She's cute as well. And these are the Christmas stockings. Absolutely adorable. They will look great in your Christmas tree as well. Absolutely fun. Fun! And this pair is also a lot of fun. I love her stockings. Absolutely cute. And a different view. And this one, absolutely adorable. Also with the little fringe peeking out from under the hat. It's very effective look. A different angle, gorgeous blue eyes. And this one is a slightly different kind of elf. I like his little face and I love the little ears. The little ears popping out. And he has a little friend crocheted in different colors. And they're having a lot of fun together. Look at them. So cute. Cutie pie as well. Love the long hair. Her outfit is just on point. Very elegant little elf here. Cute hat as well. And the hat comes off. That's nice. Now this elf has a little reindeer friend. Though the reindeer is looking a bit sad, the elf is looking a bit bemused. I love the expressions on their faces. He does have beautiful, gorgeous blue eyes. That's it for today. So you will find a link to the patterns in the description box below, and I'll see you tomorrow for more Christmas in July. Happy crocheting!